come shop the Wayfair Outlet with me. A few months back, I posted a video where I checked out the world's first ever Wayfair brick and mortar store. And today I thought it'd be fun to check out the world's first ever Wayfair Outlet. Sounds so exciting when I say world's first ever. Like many of you, last summer we bought a new home and we've been trying to get it fixed up and renovated to our liking. And also furniture is a big part of that transition. And like most of you, we're also balling on a budget. So I want to see if this store actually has some good items or if it's a lot of used, broken, and whatever kind of pieces left over. Let's go check it out together. And if you're new here, please subscribe before we go any further because it helps me stay on this channel with you week after week and it's free. So subscribe. Whew. It is so hot today. There she is. Hopefully it's a good day to come. Oh, score. Oh, I like that. Oh, I love this. No. That's fun. How much is that, out of curiosity? Whoa. Oh, kind of like this. $6.12. Eek. Still high. And it's a little dinged up. Why do I love this? I had something like this in my room when I was a teenager. Fancy schmancy. Holy moly. I noticed some of these items are still priced the same in the outlet store than they are online, which leads me to think maybe they're only discounted if there's like a clearance event or something. So something to note, definitely check the Wayfair store before you buy anything from the Wayfair Outlet and make sure that it's actually discounted. That bad. like this detail. Tall too. It's a nice looking desk. Want some rough looking candle? Does not smell good, which is probably why it's here. It's a random bathtub. Ooh, I do want to redo all my bathrooms. I should come here. These look really nice. They don't really seem to be damaged. Seems pretty good, considering. Random price check. Okay. These seem pretty good, actually. I don't see any issues with any of these well, maybe this one, a little funny. So, well, this one already kind of seems off. This is nice. Looks like these have like little to nothing wrong with them. I mean, just like from a quick glance. It's me, Jessica. The lamps and pendants are looking a bit bare, but they did just have this big sale. Oh, there's more. Big sales happening. Really should try to find something. Ottomans, anyone? Are you out of ottomans? More ottomans. More. Definitely no shortage of ottomans. Dressers. Lots of rugs. That looks fun. Not seeing anything cute at the moment. That's a fun couch. $1,260. Cute. Wish I had a spot for that. Here looks a bit hodgepodgey. Kind of like what's left over. Home goods. Fun. Ooh, we have some Halloween. Is it too soon for fall? What do you think? Are you shopping fall already? I need to know. I just asked how often they get stuff in, and it's about 2 to 3 times a week. Which is not bad. It's pretty good. If you need a telescope, I know where to get you one. But like, does it work? Oh, it does. I don't know how to use it, but I see light. These look okay. Kind of like not the nicest choices. Definitely not. Or nothing crazy. Would have liked a little furry area, tiny rug. Fun. Side tables. We do need a lot. Looks like there's like a lot of one-offs, which would be kind of difficult. I feel like if you can get scored 2 chairs, then you'll be better off. Pretty console tables. These are nice. This is fancy. And it's $1,500. See if you get 2, that's good. If you have like only the need for 2. Really cute. That's nice too. Looks like some of these can be a set if you only need like 4. And then here are your dining tables. Cute. That's really cute. Somebody needs to come get this. Not a bad deal. I want it too. A lot of odds and ends here too. I feel like I already know what I want to get. How cute is this bar cart? Ooh, the Domenica cart. Cute. I just want an overpriced lion. Some more odds and ends. Looks like it wasn't too bad of a place. I would say that it didn't really seem to have much that I enjoyed, and it probably was a bit more sparse because they had like 50% off the entire store today, plus an additional 60 off certain items that have like a red sticker. But overall pretty nice. Like if we really had like nothing, no furniture at all, it would be a good place to start. Maybe not during a clearance event of a outlet, but I did end up getting something. I got the little Christmas green dish, which felt really wrong to get during the summer, but especially as it's like 80 to 90 degrees today. But really cute. I feel like I enjoyed going to the Wayfair store more, but this is a good one. I feel like we gotta go again when it's not a clearance event. I feel like there might be more, but I've heard similar reviews from friends and family of mine that have come here that it's kind of like a hit or miss. But again, you're a first time maybe homeowner or you're moving out for the first time, might be a good place to start checking out. Prices seemed a bit high still, unless you're going during a clearance event. But otherwise, like things were still over like $1,000. So I don't know. I feel like I'd rather just go get what I want that isn't like at an outlet store where it's probably, you know, scratched or something. But if it's not, some of those things were not. So I feel like it's one of those, again, it's a hit or miss. You just gotta go and have some luck that day. Okay guys, that's it for today's touring of the Wayfair outlet with me. I hope you enjoyed it. I always like kind of letting somebody do all the work and me watching from my desk or from my bed or my couch, so that's really nice. And if you're new here or if you haven't already, please remember to subscribe, whether you're watching me on your phone, on your laptop, or on your TV, which I do a lot these days. It helps me just show up and be there much easier than you having to search for me. And it's free, and it helps me out so much more than you even know. So please, please, please subscribe. And if you haven't seen my last video for BagSmart, I'm actually doing a giveaway, and I will put the link for the giveaway in the description box below. For more details, watch the BagSmart video. That will be linked at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you at next week's video. Ciao.